5 honest lessons for married women after my divorce 2 years ago. I got divorced. Looking back, I want to share 5 truths I've learned, especially for women over 50 who might be struggling in their marriages. 1. Trust, once broken, is hard to repair. When I first discovered my ex-husband's affair, we tried to stay together for 6 more months for the kids, for our parents, for the life we built. But every time his phone rang, I wondered if it was her. When he came home late, my mind raced. We fought constantly until we were both exhausted. Finally, I realized a marriage without trust is just two people making each other miserable. Staying for the kids isn't always the right choice. A peaceful divorce was better than a toxic home. 2. The pain will pass even when it feels endless at first. I felt numb. Then, the grief hit hard. Nights were the worst after putting my child to sleep. I'd cry under the covers. I smoked too much, doubted myself, and wondered if I'd ever be happy again. But time heals. 2 years later, I'm writing this calmly, like it's someone else's story. You will survive. 3. Fear holds us back, but freedom awaits before divorcing. I was terrified. Can I raise my child alone? Will life get worse? But after taking the leap, I realized the fear of divorce is worse than divorce itself. Yes, single motherhood was hard. I quit my job, took night shifts at McDonald's, and juggled parenting alone. But for the first time, I stopped waiting for someone to save me. I became my own hero. 4. Rediscover yourself. You're still here after divorce. I found me again. I hiked, learned to swim and drive, even tried skydiving. I joined a writers group and rediscovered my voice. Without the weight of a bad marriage, I felt lighter. The world seemed brighter, the trees greener, the sky clearer. Divorce didn't end my life. It gave me a new one. 5. You don't need a man to be complete. Many women stay because they're afraid to be alone. But dependency kills happiness. The stronger I grew, the more peace I found. Now, I live by this truth. I'm happy if you stay, but unafraid if you leave. Final thoughts. I'm not telling you to divorce. But if you're unhappy, ask yourself, is this marriage nourishing or draining me? Your life isn't just about love and marriage, it's about you. Whether you stay or go, remember, you are enough. The best chapters may still be ahead.